In lane 1, Olivia Ross. Lane 2, Mary Elizabeth Sanchez. Lane 3, Caroline Schultz. Lane 4, Brenda Crawford. Lane 5, Anna Patricia. Lane 6, Reese Dean. Lane 7, Mariah and Mariah Raymond. Lane 8, Mary Elizabeth. Lane 9, Juliana Tracy. Lane 10,
Not the
Cheryl
leaders, Joe. I think.
Out in lane 7, that's Maria Ramos, freshman for Buckeyes. Ramos in 7, Crawford in 4. Raymond